Welcome, DIY enthusiasts and creative minds, to our woodworking adventure. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting with a project that's both stylish and functional. Join us as we guide you through the assembly of the captivating Skyline Serenity Tray, a wooden masterpiece that brings the city to your fingertips. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. You can download the PDF file for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for the CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The assembly is very simple, just stack and glue all the parts together. The tray features a captivating cityscape design when viewed from above, adding a touch of modern and sophisticated charm to any setting. Its unique visual appeal makes it an eye-catching conversation starter. The cityscape design sparks curiosity and conversation, making it an ideal centerpiece for gatherings. Guests are sure to be impressed by the creativity and craftsmanship behind this distinctive serving tray. For those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects, the Skyline Serenity Tray offers the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. The DIY aspect allows you to take pride in your craftsmanship and creativity.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.